Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from OKX wallet to Binance. All right, let's begin. First, open the Binance app to get your USDT wallet address. On the main dashboard, tap Wallets at the bottom right. Tap on Deposit, then select USDT. Next, choose the network for the transfer. In this case, select Ethereum, which is ERC20. After selecting the network, a QR code and an alphanumeric deposit address will appear. Tap Copy to save the address to your clipboard. Now open the OKX Wallet app and go to the Assets section by tapping the bottom right icon. Locate your USDT balance, then tap Withdraw. Next, select Withdraw Crypto followed by Chain Transfer. For the withdrawal method, choose Crypto via network to a wallet or exchange. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied into the address field. Double-check that the selected network matches the one chosen on Binance. After entering the necessary details, tap Submit. You may be required to complete verification steps, such as entering a security code or confirming via email. Follow the prompts to finalize the transfer. So that's basically how you can transfer USDT from OKX wallet to Binance. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.